Good morning, guys. This is TBJ of Next Stop Glamour, and I'm sorry I'm coming to you looking a little rough this morning, but I'm getting ready. I have some errands to run. But I wanted to come on real quick and show y'all how I use Next Stop Glamour's Hair Growth Serum. Back at the beginning of June, matter of fact, June 10th, I did a video talking about what's coming. What's coming is our new Hair Growth Serum. This is what it is. This is what it looks like. It's very light, very nice. And I'm going to show you how I use it on my hair. It's the summer here in North Carolina. It's hot, it's humid, and I'm natural. As you can see, I just finished getting out of the shower and I shampooed my hair. And what I do and how I use it is during the summer I usually wear my hair more natural because it's so hot. And I'm not natural and it's frizzy and humid here. My hair gets frizzy and curly and just kind of out of control. So I don't do a whole lot of weaves. I might do some braids or updos or something like that just to keep my hands out of it and not have to do so much to it. But what I do in the morning, I'll either rinse my hair with just some water or I may co-wash it. This morning, this is what I did, and I'm gonna tell you the routine. I got in the shower. I shampooed my hair with a clarifying shampoo. This time I used my African black soap. And I shampooed my hair twice with that, and it made my hair squeaky clean along with my scalp. And then I shampooed my hair with my Growth Hair shampoo. And then I conditioned it and rinsed it out in cool water. Once I got out of the shower, I towel dried it. Now, this is how I use my Hair Growth Serum. And this is how, this will be placed on, we will not be releasing it. The release date, we haven't set the release date for the Hair Growth Serum, but it will be going on the site next month in July. We just don't know the actual date, but it will be posted in the newsletter and I'll be sending out emails about it. But we haven't decided on the actual release date of it. I'm looking more around the middle of July when I want to release it, but it will be posted on the website and I'll make sure I drop all the details about it concerning it. But what I do to start using this Hair Growth Serum is this. After I've towel dried my hair, I got out of the shower and towel dried my hair, I usually kind of run my fingers through it, kind of detangle it first. And this is what it looks like. And it's already starting to dry, so I'm gonna make this quick because I do need to get dressed and get ready. But right here on the side, as you can see, my hair is thin right here. It's a little thin right here and on this side too. Basically on the edges where a lot of women are thin. Mine is hereditary, and I'm also thin in my crown area, right in the top. So what I do is this. This is a derma roller. Many people use this on their face. Well, most estheticians, I'm sorry. Let me take that back. Estheticians use this, and dermatologists may use this on your face to do facial treatments, along in conjunction with facial treatments. Basically, a derma roller is a small roller that has little fine, tiny, little microscopic, little tiny needles in them. And you just roll it, and it just pricks your skin just a little bit to allow whatever you're applying on your skin to seep into your skin and be absorbed even more. I got the idea to do this for my hairline right here, for my edges and stuff, from a YouTuber called Too Much Hair. She's a licensed cosmetologist. She has her own salon, and I'm not sure where she's located. I'll see if I can post a link to her YouTube channel, but she's a really good YouTuber. She's very professional and very knowledgeable also. But if it's my memory serves me correctly, her daughter went off to school, I think to college, and when she came back, being that she's in school, she's not with her mom. Her mom usually takes care of her hair, and her hair looks fabulous. However, she's gone off to school. She can't get home as often as she would like and get her hair done like she used to. Her edges started breaking up, and I think she was wearing it up a lot, pulled back in ponytails. I'm not sure. You have to go see the video. But she set up an appointment for her daughter to go see a trichologist, which is somebody that's licensed and specializes in the hair follicle, the scalp, and the hair strands, and the health of the scalp and hair follicles. And the trichologist actually used a derma roller on her daughter's edges where she was thin at, where her hair was breaking off at. And then after she used the derma roller, she applied her treatment to it. So I said, well, wow, that's a great idea. I never thought to do that. So I tried it, and I've been doing it ever since. And slowly but surely, it's growing back in, because they were thinner than this. And they've always been thin because I wear my hair pulled back a lot off my face. And when it's straight, I wear it pulled back off my face, or I wear it pulled up in a ponytail when it's longer. And I'm trying to break that habit. So this is how I do. Enough rambling. I take the derma roller, and this is what it looks like. And I go up in one direction, and I gently do it, and then I go back with it. And that's just on that side, and then I do the middle, and I just go back, and then I go across, and then I do the same on the other side. Now, I also do the crown of my head, which is hard because I have more hair in the crown of my head, but I still kind of just separate the two, and I just roll it gently in one direction across the crown. And I try not to tangle my hair. Sometimes a couple of strands will get caught. You have to be careful when you do it in your hair because it will get caught. And once you do that, you finish. If there's any strands on it, you pull those off and you set it to the side. Now I'm trying to get these strands off. Then once I do that, I take my Hair Growth Serum, and it comes in a tube, and I gently just do a couple of drops across and rub it in. And that's just in the crown. I do a couple and kind of massage it in real good. And then here on the side, and I rub those in. Now mind you, this right now is the only product I have on my hair. I have no other product on my hair right now. And I do about 3 to 4 drops. And I just kind of rub it in. And that's it. Once I do that, I just kind of massage it in. And then that's it. Once I finish doing that, then I go ahead and put on my styling products like my leave-in conditioner, my oils, and my curl cream. And then I'm done for the day. And I will do this probably, because I'll probably rinse my hair tomorrow, but I'll try to do it at least once a week, once to twice a week, or once every other week. And that's it. And basically what I would do is just shampoo my hair. I use a clarifying shampoo so it'll get off any product, oil, or whatever I have on my hair. Shampoo it again with either a growth shampoo or a moisturizing shampoo. Then do my conditioner, rinse, then towel dry my hair, and then do the derma roller. And I only do the derma roller at the beginning. I will reapply my growth serum probably midweek. Like today's Friday, so I'll probably reapply it on Sunday. Now you can do it every day if you want to. There's no problem with it. It won't hurt any. I just choose not to because sometimes, honestly, I forget. But I'll either do it every other day. I'll try to do it every day, but most of the time I do it every other day. And probably about the 3rd or 4th day, or at least once a week, I will shampoo my hair to make sure it's cleansed and everything. And then I do the derma roller at least once a week. I do not do the derma roller every time I apply it because I think that would be a little bit too much and it may cause more damage than be beneficial to your hair growth. And I do that and I let it soak in. To me, the derma roller helps with the absorption of the hair growth serum. Is it required to do that? No, it's not. That's something I do because I prefer to do that. But the serum will work without you having a derma roller. I just prefer to do that. But one thing I do recommend that you moisturize and you massage it into your scalp. And make sure you do that. And that will help it to absorb also. And it also helps to stimulate the blood circulation in your scalp also, because that does help your hair grow. That contributes to your hair growth. But after that, I will put on my product and that's it, and start my day. So if you have any questions about the Hair Growth Serum or my technique and how I apply it, or the derma roller, because the derma roller is something that Next Up Glamorous is not selling. We may sell it in the future. I don't. Right now, I'm not sure. But at this time, we do not offer a derma roller. I picked up mine from Ulta Beauty, my local Ulta Beauty, and I think I paid about maybe 30 to 40 bucks for it. And they do have one there, I think that it's like $80, and it's a whole kit for your face, your body, and stuff like that. I just need the one. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, or you can reach out to us at info@nxtstpglamour.com, and we'll be glad to assist you with any questions that you have. And if you want to place an order or go ahead and pre-order your hair growth serum, go to www.nxt, and as in Nancy, that is XT, S as in Sam, TP as in Peter, Glamour, GLAMOUR.com, and we'll be glad to place your order for you. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.